real life of acute angle. About the arm of a well clock make acute angle at a several hours of the day. Example, one piece of pizza. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Example of real life of example of right angle, the corner of the book edge of the cardboard, etc. Example, doctor. This, this is a right angle. Thank you.
Good morning to all. Now I am going to tell about real life of example. Acute angle. The angle should be formed of a by the hours and minutes. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am going to say about real life example of reflect angle. If we observe the hands of the clock at 7 o'clock on side of the clock from an obtuse angle, for example, windmill.
Assalamualaikum. Good morning to all. The real life example of straight angle. A surface has an angle is 180 degree. Straight stick has an angle. Example steps.
Hello everyone, I am going to tell about complete angle. An angle made by the bangle at the center measure a complete angle. CD. Thank you.
Example where we are using a mathematics in day-to-day life. Topic is types of angles.
Types of angle. Good morning to all. Now I am going to tell about acute angle. Acute angle and measure acute. An acute angle measure less than 90 degree at the vertex. Hello everyone. Good morning. I am going to tell about right angle. A right angle can measure 90 degree at the vertex. Hi everyone. Good morning. I am going to tell about acute angle. An acute angle is between 90 degree and 180 degree.
Good morning to all. I am going to say about reflect angle. A reflect angle measures between 80 degree and 90 degree. Hi everyone, good morning sir. I am going to say about straight angle. A straight angle measures exactly 180 degree is a straight angle.